Hey guys, this is a Canon PIXMA G3270 MegaTank series printer. We're going to be unboxing it today. The purpose of this video is to show you what the printer really looks like and what's included in this box. That might help you with your decision when you're purchasing this online or even when you're going into a store. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's get right to it. Just a quick note and a small request before we open this box. I did start a new channel where I review products. So if you could please check it out and subscribe to it also, that would be a great help. I would really appreciate it. Okay. These are the contents of our box. We have the tanks over here. Look how big they are. Each color. This is the black one, cyan, the yellow, and magenta. Look how large they are. That's going to give you lots of printing capacity there. Kind of a startup guide right here. Setup instructions. What do we have here? More warranty information and things like that. Some advertisements. In this box we have the power supply. And let's see, what is this here? So these are the cartridges that we need to install in order for this printer to work. Okay, this is our printer right here. Just go ahead and take it out of the plastic here. It's really not that heavy. So we got the ink, the cartridges, power supply, and the printer, and just papers with startup guide and things like that. That's basically what you get in your printer box. Go ahead and scan this QR code in order to go through the instructions, but in this video I'll just show you what you need to do in order to get this printer set up. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is remove all the orange tape that we have on the printer. There's going to be one on top here and one over here up front. Just lift this here, remove these. And after that, we're going to connect the power supply cord. The power cord connection is over here. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in right there, just like so, and plug it into the wall. Let's go ahead and turn the printer on with this, pressing the power button right there. This is the tray where the paper comes out, tray where we load the paper. After the printer has turned on, it's going to ask you for your language. So I'm going to go ahead and select English, and I'm going to confirm that by using up and down arrow to confirm yes or no. And then if you want to update, you're going to say on or off for that. At this point, the printer wants us to install the print heads, and these are the print heads. So we're just going to go ahead and open this top cover. What you need to do is just go ahead and press this up, this right here, and the cover will open. Go ahead and open this. And this is the C. Make sure you remove this tape right here. Go ahead and open the black print head. Also remove this orange tape and just slide it in there. Oh, gotta make sure we remove this here and then put it in there. So make sure you pull this tab as well. That reveals the connections for when you close it, it'll just go through there. And now we can just go ahead and close it. Now we need to pour the ink into each of the colors. So we're going to start with black. Let's go ahead and open the jar. We're going to lift this cover. I'll line this up over here, just like that. And it'll start pouring in there. You can see those levels rising as the jar fills the ink into the printer. As soon as this jar is empty, we can remove it and close the lid. For each of the colors, you will see that you will not be able to mix up the bottles because they are uniquely cut here. So blue or the cyan will only fit into cyan. If you try to put it into a yellow, it will not go in there. So that's a big help. After we're done filling tanks, let's go ahead and close the cover. Go ahead and load paper in here. Make sure you open the paper set guide and just load paper in there. So the screen says after pouring all ink from the bottle, press OK. And it's just going to perform a startup process of priming the ink and everything like that. It says that it'll take about 6 minutes. When loading paper, make sure these width set guides are set to the proper width, which is max for standard paper. And you just load paper in there. This is an all-in-one printer, which also does scans and copies, and this is where you'll be doing these. Check out the link below in the description of how to connect this printer to a phone, a tablet, or PC. So about 6 minutes into the startup process, and this printer is ready to go. I'm just going to print a nozzle check to see how things look on paper for the print head. To print a nozzle check pattern, you're just going to scroll down with the down arrow to maintenance, and then select nozzle check and confirm. It's asking for paper to be loaded, and it's already there, and you're going to press OK. And this is what the page looks like. You can see all colors are 100% and ready to print. This is what your nozzle check pattern should look like. So it's going to have a black strip right here in a grid pattern, and then we're going to have solid darker and solid lighter line for each of the other 3 colors. So that's how you set up your printer. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and also check out our reviews channel, Unboxing 10. And I hope you have a great day.